Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining me again for my Walgreen weekly haul. I hope everyone's day is going great, and if this is your first time joining us, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's get into these deals. I don't have any paper or digital spend booster, so I'm going to do this Dove deal. Hopefully one will print out for me. The Dove deodorant is on the deal of buy two, you get $4 register reward back, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off. I'm going to pick up two of the Vitamin Care deodorant, priced at $13.49. The second one is going to be $6.74 because of the buy one get one half off. Two of them are going to total $20.23. I scanned these two products on the app and there is no coupon attaching to them. That means I have to pay the $20.23 plus tax. I'm going to use Walgreen cash to help pay for this. And check your Ibotta because you have a $4 back on each item. And after the $8 rebate, these two items are going to end up costing me just $8.23 or $4.12 each. Let's look at my receipt and see how everything worked out. I did not use any coupon for this. I only redeemed $20 Walgreen cash, paid the tax out of pocket, and I received my $4 register reward for buying two. And I also got a $7 Walgreen cash back when I spent $40. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $8 for these two items. That's $4 on each, making both of them just $8.23 or $4.12 each. For my next transaction, I'm going to use the spend booster I just received. That's the spend $40, you get back $7 Walgreen cash back. And that includes the Oral-B toothbrush. I'll pick up the one on sale for $3. And the Kids Board-Based toothpaste is included in this deal as well. And it's on sale for $3.50. These two items are going to total $6.50. For the Board-Based, I have a $2 digital coupon. And for the toothbrush, I have a $1 coupon. With the two coupons, it's going to drop it down to $3.50. I'll pay that and get $3 register reward back, making both products just 50 cents or 25 cents each. For my next deal will be on the Colgate products. They're on the deal of buy two, get $4 register reward back, and they're on sale for $4 each. I'm sorry I wasn't able to film this on the app because I didn't want to bother anybody. So two of them are going to total $8. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $5. I'm going to pay the $5 and get $4 register reward back, making it just $1 or 50 cents each. Next, I'm adding a Soleil body wash. I still wasn't able to film this on the app, but it's on sale for $7 each, and they're on the deal of buy 3, you get $5 register reward back. An Olay body wash is part of the P&G Spend 20 in $5 register reward promotion. Picking up 3 will total $21. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $16. I'll pay the $16 and I'll get back $5 register reward for buying 3, and I'll also get another $5 register reward for spending 20. Making 3 of them just $6 or $2 each. I'm still not at $40 to use my spend booster. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Sweet Tarts gummies. They're on sale for 2 for $9, and I'll submit my receipt to Swapbox for a $7 bag for buying 2, which will end up making them just $2 or $1 each. For these Sweet Tarts, make sure you're reading the fine print. That way you can pick up the right product and get back your rebate. This is everything I'll pick up using the spend booster I just received, and I have some register reward I'll use pay down. That's $13, and I'll pay the rest out of pocket. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. These are all the items I picked up. All my coupons came off except the Olay coupon, the 5 off 3, and I know I'm supposed to pick up the same cents, but this is all my store have, and I mentioned to the cashier that I have a 5 off 3. I don't know what he clipped and the $5 came off. That's the last $5 you're seeing on my receipt. After all these coupons and the register reward I used, I paid $17.60 out of pocket, and I got back $3 register reward for the board-based deal, and another $4 register reward for the Colgate deal, and a $5 register reward for buying 3 of the Olay, and another $5 register reward for the promotion. I submitted my receipt to Swagbox and I got back 700 points. That's $7. And I also got back $7 Walgreen cash for the spend booster. And after all this register reward I got back, the Walgreen cash and the one from Swagbox, this transaction ended up being free and a 40 cents money maker. The next deal I'll pick up will be on Gain detergent. On the deal of buy two, you get $5 register reward back. And I'll pick up the 2.6 liters on sale for $9.99. And I also pick up one of the 31 packs on sale for $9.99. They are going to total $19.98. We have a $3 coupon for the detergent and we also have a $3 coupon for the packs in our app. After the coupons, it's going to drop it down to $13.98. I'll pay that and get $5 register reward back, making both items just $8.98 or $4.49 each. I did this deal by itself. The two coupons came off and I used a $4 register reward to help pay it down. I redeemed $10 Walgreen cash, paid the rest out of pocket, and I got back my $5 register reward. After I did the Gain deal, I noticed that the $5 register reward I got from doing the Olay deal is going to expire on Friday, and I'm not sure that I'm going back to Walgreen. So what I did with the $5 was pick up this project planner. It's on sale for $5.89, and using the $5 register reward, I ended up paying just 89 cents plus tax. I also found these Crafter Union's canned wines. They originally priced at $5.49 and they're on sale for 55 cents each. I picked up some, and since this is alcohol, you cannot use register reward or Walgreen cash. You have to pay out of pocket. In case you're interested in buying this, I found them near the fridge section. This is where my video ends today. Thank you all for your support. Thank you all for coming back every week to watch my video, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.